In a world that runs on energy, electricity needs a smarter path. Not just cables, bus ducts, the highways of power. Introducing Elins Busways, manufacturers of electrical bus duct system, India's futuristic product for power distribution. Trusted by top consultants, EPCs and global brands for efficiency and reliability. We are not just a bus duct company, but also part of Elins Switchboards, manufacturers of LV and MV panels. We are affiliated to Micron Electricals India Private Limited, a well-respected group that offers end-to-end MEPF contracting, and Elins Sheet Metal Industries, which offers cable management system and modular supports all under one roof. From planning to commissioning, we simplify every step: room layouts, bus duct routing, bus duct support mechanism, short traversal and post-installation monitoring, all aligned for project success.
At Elins, we don't just manufacture busways, we engineer peace of mind. Our products are built under a rigorous quality plan that ensures that every unit performs flawlessly in real-world conditions. With Elins, you are not just choosing a product, you are choosing engineering excellence, operational confidence, and long-term value.
Our systems are manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility equipped with CNC turret punch presses, CNC press brakes, (3D intelligent busbar machine), CNC bending machine, busbar sawing machine, PLC-controlled 9-stage pre-treatment for ultimate surface finish and corrosion resistance. Powder coating is performed in a German robotic plant. Power presses, MIG profile robotic welding machines, polyester film and aramid paper slitting machine, polyester film and aramid paper forming machine. Conductors are made from high purity 99.95+% copper or electrical grade aluminium, insulated with high performance aramid and polyester films using optimized manufacturing processes. Joint blocks are designed with dual 5 mm conductors per phase, reducing temperature rise and improving performance. Elins Busways offers a complete range of specials and accessories. Every unit undergoes inline testing for insulation resistance and high voltage withstand capability using automated bus duct testing systems. Elins is equipped with a state-of-the-art 6300 amps temperature rise setup, glow wire test equipment, and mechanical impact testing facilities among others, ensuring reliability, compliance and long-term performance. We adhere to ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 standards. Our products comply with IEC 61439 Part 1 and 61439 Part 6 standards, certified by Intertek, Asta, Diamond Mark UK and other internationally recognized certification bodies. Elins Busways are also certified to withstand seismic conditions. With fully customized plug-in tap-off boxes, Elins goes beyond standard enclosures, providing metered, interlocked and MCCB integrated units. Elins Busways is driven by an energetic management and a motivated and highly experienced workforce.
Present day customers' requirement is faster delivery and error-free design of sandwich bus duct. Elins Busways have sophisticated cutting-edge software which can produce 3D layout drawing in a faster way, and BOQ also can be prepared within a short span of time.
Elins Busways are not just sandwich bus ducts. They are engineered solutions custom designed to deliver reliable, scalable and smart power infrastructure. Elins Busways, strategically placed with a well-established supply chain, delivers faster and better. At Elins, sustainability is a core commitment. We've implemented rooftop solar, integrated smart systems like Power Monitoring Expert to enhance energy efficiency. Our energy-efficient manufacturing processes, material sourcing and waste reduction, water and resource conservation, and eco-friendly powder coating process, along with effluent and sewage treatment plants, ensure our operations remain clean, responsible, and future-ready with reduced carbon footprint.
These efforts and many others reflect our deep commitment to sustainable practices. We are proud that Elins Switchboards was recognized with the country winner Sustainability Impact Award 2024 by Schneider Electric. It's a recognition that reaffirms our journey toward a greener tomorrow.
Elins Busways is well positioned to cater to the fast-growing demand of data centers in India.
At Elins, customer success is at the core of everything we do. It inspires us to build high-performance bus duct systems for mission-critical sectors like data centers, electric mobility, industrial automation, among others. What makes this possible is our unwavering focus on precision engineering, seamless integration, and future-ready design. As a part of Micron Electricals, one of India's largest MEPF companies, we are uniquely positioned to offer end-to-end turnkey solutions in sandwich bus ducts, comprising of the entire gamut, which includes design, manufacturing, project coordination, installation, as well as commissioning.
Join the brands shaping India's industrial future with Busduct systems engineered to deliver. Elins Busways, electrical Busduct system, smart, versatile, efficient. A futuristic product for power distribution.